How to connect Voltas AC to Wi-Fi. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Voltas Smart. Tap on Allow and then click on Agree. If you already have your account, click on Login with existing account. After that, enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Tap on Continue. Tap on Allow. Once you are in the home page, now you have to click on Add Device. Click on Continue. Over here, you have to select Air Conditioner. Once again, click on this connect icon and then tap on Next. First of all, you have to turn on Bluetooth on your device. Once done, once you have enabled the Bluetooth, the next thing you want to do is to connect the Wi-Fi that you have been using on your device. Once the AC has been connected to Wi-Fi, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.